have been asked by Yates to talk to you about sowing swan plants, because this is the right time of year to do it. And the thing is, last year there wasn't enough swan plants to feed all the monarch butterfly caterpillars, and so a lot of them went hungry. So we're on a mission this year to get as many people as we can to sow swan plants.
Yeah,
right.
I was totally going to say that.
Yeah. Okay, good. Swan plants. So, what do you know about swan plants?
They are good for butterfly caterpillars. They're called swan plants. They're a plant, I think.
Great. Right.
The green.
Okay, now we've got this lovely handy sheet here. So Yates have put out this handy how to plant swan plants and look after them. So we're just going to do the first bit at the moment. So
You can sow Yates swan plant seeds directly where they are growing during spring through to autumn in the North Island, or from late spring to early autumn in the South Island and colder areas of the north.
okay, or you can sow seeds earlier in the season in a glass house or in a dome, or on warm windowsills, into seed trays, or any container with holes for drainage. So that's a really good tip. So we have containers with holes to sow them into.
In a glass dome.
In a dome. Okay, and you need a good quality seed raising mix, and we've got a bag here of Yates Black Magic, which is magic. And right, it says scatter the seeds thinly, cover with seed raising mix. You're aiming for the seeds to be about 5 mil deep, firm down and water gently. And it takes 14 to 21 days for them to germinate. Right, so Joey, do you want to fill these seed trays? So here we have the swan plant seeds. Now, cut them open, and shall we sow them all?
Yeah.
So that there's enough?
Oh, there's a bag inside the bag.
Okay, so the bag. Right, cut it open. Cut it open.
Okay.
So if you just open them out and pour them into your hand, and we can see what they look like. Oh, they're quite big, aren't they?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's sow them, eh?
Yes.
Now, so ordinarily we would water this, but the seed raising mix is already really wet, so it's probably just good enough to, don't forget to label. So can you write swan plant on that, please? I'm going to go and put those over with the other seedlings. Right, so the other thing we need to do is think about the butterflies themselves, because they do fly such a long way and they do love a sweet nectar. So what we are actually going to grow for them today is
Eclipses. I forgot how to say it.
eclipses.
Eclipses.
I'm not quite sure how to say it. But this is it. They're really pretty, and the butterflies will love them. So do you want to do the honours? It's going to make the garden look really beautiful.
Yes. Do it again. Go back inside the bag.
Okay. They're quite similar, aren't they?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a bit thinner.
Yeah. Okay. Let's get these in there. Label. Right. You want to label these?
Yes.
So, A-S C-L E-P I-A-S. Nice. Close in.
Just ruins it.
It's beautiful. Well, that was fun.
Yes.
Come summer, there will be loads of monarch butterflies wafting about the garden, and loads of caterpillars nibbling away at these swan plants. Normally you don't want caterpillars to eat your plants.
Yeah.
This is the one case that it's okay.
It's the good kind.
It's the good kind. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.